Hey guys, Mo Morales. Happy Sunday. If it's not Sunday when you're watching this, happy whatever day it is you're watching this. So today I wanted to have a quick conversation just to talk to you guys. I love coming out here and relaxing and talking to you. Why am I in my car? Because I tried to do this in the park by my town. It was just completely packed. Obviously, it's the time of year here in New Jersey where bodies are coming out and are trying to enjoy spring. Then I said, you know what? There's a huge park in between three cities here in my area. So I said, let me go there. It's called Overpeck Park, and they're having a huge festival there where the carnival rides for kids, food, and games, chance games and stuff like that. So obviously, that wasn't going to work. So here we are, you and I, in my air-conditioned car. Hopefully, the air conditioning hum is not annoying. If it is, I apologize. But again, I wanted to have a quick conversation with you guys today in general, and I wanted to talk about how I was able to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 open boxed at the regular package, not the creator combo, and create my own creators combo with stuff I already had. Now, obviously at that price, right, it's free to a point because I've already paid for the stuff. But at the same time, if you're building your kit outside of a creator combo on your own and you don't have these things, there may be some cost associated with it. So while it was free for me, it may not be for you, but you may have some of this stuff laying around or something similar, and you can make best use of it. So the first thing I did was I did purchase the K&F ultra wide adapter for my Pocket 3, and I think it was one of the best moves I made. It was about 24 bucks and I love it. Then I got the Ulanzi P3 3 hot shoe mount with tripod 3/4 screw adapters. So I'm able to in this case move the hot shoe from the front or the back. The back of the items have where you can actually thread them onto your tripod, and it works very well. Now, what am I using for my portable tripod? If you've purchased anything from Amazon or maybe B&H, either one, I think this was an Amazon one though, sometimes you'll get, like if you buy a lens, for instance, sometimes they'll send you an extended kit with it for the same exact price of the lens. And this, I think, was from either one, B&H or Amazon. It's the Altura brand. I don't think it'll pick it up here, but it's the Altura brand here. There you go. And what it is a handle with a little button here that allows you to adjust the position. Did it all day easily. All right, it allows you to adjust the position of what you're holding, right? And then if you need to put this down, the front legs split and create a tripod. And while I'm talking, I'm overlaying some of the stuff I videoed for B footage earlier. So see, you could move this to a flat position and then put everything on top of it. Now the DJI Osmo did come with a extender. It's not a battery pack, it's just an extender which houses a 3/4 screw mount. So you just plug this into the body and you're on your way. Then for microphones, right, I already had the Rode Wireless 2 kit, which I'm using on my iPhone right now, with one receiver and two transmitters, one here and one here. So I didn't have to spend money on a microphone. I already had one set up. And then for extended battery, this is not as convenient as the DJI battery handle, but this is a Charge, spelled with an S, power bank. And it cost me 24 bucks. It's fast charging, and I've already used it with this setup. I had it on the tripod, and I had the battery pack right next to the whole thing, and it was charging wonderfully. I couldn't record audio at that time because this goes into the slot where the Rode Wireless Go plug would go into. But at that point, I realized that the Pocket 3's microphones are pretty damn good. So let me assemble this for you. I have some footage of it already done, but let me assemble this for you and show you how neat it looks put together. Now, mind you, this is how it looks put together, from top to bottom here. Normally, I don't use this piece here unless I'm going to be setting it down to record me while I need it, I need not to be holding it. I need not to be holding it. I speak good. So usually it's not this big. The other convenience is here, because I hold it from here when I'm walking around with it, and it's facing me. So I have the option of plugging in the transmitter here always, no matter what. And then I have the option if I want to wear the microphone like I'm doing now, or if I want to just put it here and have it pick up my voice as I'm talking and walking this way. So, it's not as compact and easy to work with as the Creator Combo is. But like I said, for free 99, this was the way to go for me. And let me show you, it's a lot less cumbersome without this piece here. This is, again, if I'm just gonna if I'm gonna put it on a table somewhere and talking head from a distance where holding it is not going to work for me. So see how much easier this is? It's just a little bit of here, and 9 out of 10 times I'm using the microphone. So it's just this nice lightweight thing. Now this wire is plugged into the iPhone, which is why you see it that way, but I was just trying to give you a visualization. So this is how I purchased an open box DJI Pocket 3 for under $400. With taxes, it came out to close to $500, but because Best Buy messed up, Best Buy didn't mess up, UPS messed up on the shipping, there was also an additional $20 refunded to me from Best Buy as a courtesy. So this was a very affordable setup for me, and everything else that came with it was free 99. And I don't care what anyone says, free 99 is free 99. All right, guys, cheap excuse to talk to you and tell you how I'm running and gunning with my Pocket 3. And to be honest with you, while I love the video from the iPhone, it's very simple, easy to edit, easy to work with. I think moving to the Pocket 3, I don't know if I can say it's improved my video game, but it's made it easier because holding this like this, even with this extension, is much easier than holding your phone like this and like that, and trying to use the back cameras, which are the better cameras, end up using the front cameras. Again, nothing wrong with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a great video camera if that's what you have. But I thought for the price that I got this new setup, it's the way to go. So if you have any doubts about the Pocket 3 and you want to step up your video game off of a phone, because I've never been the guy that wants to walk around with a mirrorless camera holding it like this, Casey Neistat style. But that's why I don't have millions of followers, right? Because I didn't want to be lugging all that weight around. Anyway, enough of me babbling. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thanks for listening. Until our next walk together or talk in the car together, stay strong, stay positive, always love, respect the beard. Have a great rest of your day.